Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transform all these lovely raspberries into raspberry chia jam. It is so easy to make, and as always I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which you can click through to pin bookmark and save for whenever you want to make lovely raspberry jam. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give this jam a try and how you enjoy your raspberry chia jam. So I have got 500 grams of raspberries over here. Aldi had them on special for 89 cents a punnet, and I couldn't resist getting a whole lot to get into jam making. I've been making chia jam for a couple of months now. I shared strawberry chia jam a couple of months ago, and I've been making batch after batch, usually using frozen berries, but since fresh are starting to come out and they are lovely and budget friendly, I couldn't resist getting a whole lot to make. And I'm going to start by giving these all a wash, popping them into a saucepan and getting them cooking over a medium heat. So I've got my raspberries over a medium heat. You don't need to add water or any other ingredients to them. Just keep them over medium heat, keep an eye on them, and slowly they'll soften up, as you'll see. It doesn't take long for the raspberries to start mashing up, and just keep mixing them, and you want them to bubble away a little bit, and the longer you bubble it away for, the richer your raspberry jam will be. So do it as long as you like until you're happy, and then we'll take it off the heat. Once it's at this point, I like to take a potato masher and just mash all those last bits of raspberry out. You can also use a food processor or a blender and then sieve it through if you want a super smooth jam, but I'm quite happy having it a bit chunky. The kids like when they get all little bits of raspberry like that. So I am quite happy with that, and I'm going to take it off the heat now. Okay, my raspberry jam is nice and super smooth. I'm happy with that. As I said, you can blend, pop it through a sieve if you want it even smoother, but I am very happy with that. So I'm going to add in my sweetener of choice, which is stevia. You can add stevia, you can add sugar, you can add maple syrup, really anything that you like. I've got 1/4 cup going in, and I'll just give it a stir through and then have a taste, and if you're happy with the sweetness, great. Otherwise add a bit more sweetness. You could even add a little bit of lemon juice just to balance the flavors if you find it too sweet, depending really on the sweetness of your fruit. So I'm going to have a little taste of it. I love it. It's nice and warm. That's beautiful. It's really tart, but that's how I like it. It's up to you. You can go up to 1/2 cup, add as much as you like, so it's sweet, perfect to your liking. And now I'm adding in the chia seeds, 1/4 cup of chia seeds, and we're going to stir it through until it's smooth. So we're just going to give it a good stir through, and then we're going to let the chia work its magic. Leave it to come down to room temperature because it's really too hot to pop into cans now. And once it's cooled and ready to go into jars, then it'll be nice and thick, and I will show you that next. Now that all of the chia is mixed through, it might look quite runny, but just let the chia do its work and we'll have a beautiful thickened jam, as you'll see next. So you can see the raspberry jam is thickened up beautifully, and you've got a lovely thick raspberry jam, which is beautiful, enjoyed with waffles or pancakes or on top of your favorite bread or bread substitute, whatever you like. But it just is a beautiful recipe and a lovely way to enjoy raspberries or any berries that you like. So that is the video for today for this beautiful raspberry chia jam. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give the jam a try. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which will have the full step-by-step instructions and variations, so you can enjoy this anyhow you like. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.